Okay. So Oga, now the piping stage, now you say we did like this.
Yes, sir.
So now electrician now you'll be.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where we'll start from, make you take us round.
This is a room serve apartment. We provide the generator space over here.
Okay. Oga, small.
Okay.
This one are the generator space.
This is not the generator place.
Okay.
Come in. Over here, we provide the switch and the AC switch over here.
Okay.
So this is the over here is the socket and the antenna socket over here.
This one are the socket.
This is the socket and the antenna socket over here.
Okay.
Over here.
Small, make I show them, make they see them.
Okay.
Why this side?
Over here, there's another socket over there.
Another one there here.
That's another socket over there. That's the AC outlet. And here we provide a switch for the toilet and the kitchen.
Okay, one switch will control them.
No, yes, that would be two gang. When we draw the wire, that would be two gang. So because they are beside each other, that's why we don't have to put two boxes. It's just one. So we
one for the kitchen,
one for the toilet.
Toilet, okay.
So the toilet, this is the kitchen over here. We provide a cooker unit socket over here, and that's the distribution board for the room serve apartment.
Okay, this one are the DB for the room serve.
This is the room serve DB.
Okay, so that's which kind of DB be this one?
That's four-way DB.
Four-way DB.
Okay. A, B, and C product. So it's a very good product. That's why we love using it.
Okay.
So there won't be any issue at the house.
Okay. Other one see there?
Yes, sir. And over here is the 2-bedroom apartment.
Okay, here now the 2-bedroom apartment.
Over here, this is the 2-bedroom apartment.
Okay.
We have double sockets at the house, at the entrance of the house, and this is the generator socket also. Over here is the main switch where supply from the pole we stop.
Can I hear meter one day?
Yeah, this is the meter board.
Okay.
So from here, if you enter the DB, that's from here to here, and from here to the NEPA pole. So that's why it's over here.
Okay. So what about this one?
This is double socket over here for anything they want to do outside here, and this is the switch. This is the generator switch over here. Over here we provide the earthing socket over here. From here we close it with the cover box when we are done with the connection over here. From here to enter the ground.
Okay, now here earthing ground.
This is the
here they go earth.
This is the earthing space. You dig a ground over here, put the industrial salt, the earth rod, the earth mat, and we
everything when you
dig everything
you will put
and put everything inside.
Okay, so make we continue.
So this is over here. This is the sitting room of the apartment.
Okay, here now the sitting room.
Yes.
Okay, just first show them, let us see the way when it be. Okay, so where you?
Over here is the AC switch.
Okay.
And over here is the switch for the lightings. This is the AC outlet over here. Over here is the control for the visitor toilet over here.
Okay.
And in the sitting room over here, we have double socket here. We have double socket here, and we have the antenna by the side. And that's another socket over there for the sitting room. That's another double socket over there for the sitting room. And over here we have switch for the kitchen. Okay. That's the kitchen switch. And after the kitchen switch, we provide cooker unit socket, and here we have another single socket in case they want to plug anything.
Okay.
Here is the DB. Here is the DB we provide for the 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the 8-way, 12-way DB we provide for the.
Okay, this one are 12-way.
Yes.
Why do I want to see for there? You say that one are 4-way.
That's 4-way.
Okay.
So we provide this for this apartment. over here is a switch for this passage, and we provide another socket over here.
Okay.
So this is the first room. We have double socket over there.
Which is this one?
We have another socket over here. This is double socket, and we have the antenna socket by the side. We provide the AC outlet over there.
Okay.
That we just have to connect only the AC over there. That one doesn't have switch. We just provide it over there. This is the control switch over here
for the AC.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
so
this is the second room over here. We have one double socket over there. We have another double socket here, and a single socket for the antenna.
Okay.
This is the control switch for the lightings of this room.
Okay.
And here is the toilet. You can also control it from there because it's inside the room. That's why we provide this switch over there. Which is just 3 gang. Two gang will control the bed, the main room, and the other gang will control the toilet. That's all for now.
But that one not too far from the toilet and bedroom?
No. Because of the toilet door, that's why we move it down here.
Okay. So Oga, we don't see the work when you do. But if you tell us this kind of wiring waiting within it?
This kind of piping is called half conduit.
Half conduit.
Yes.
So why they call a half conduit? What be the difference between this one and the one?
The difference between half conduit and full conduit is just the piping.
Okay.
This half conduit, we just put the pipe into the roofing. When the POP are done working, that's when we come for the wiring.
Okay.
But the full conduit, we put the full piping both in the roof. Anywhere we are to put the pipe, we put it. That's full conduit.
Okay. So
and wire won't show in the roof. That's for the full conduit. But for the half conduit, there will be wire showing up in the roof, but no wire will be showing at the wall. That's just the difference.
So for the half conduit, the wall, no wire will show.
No wire.
But for the up,
wire will show.
But wire full conduit, pipe full everywhere.
Pipe full everywhere.
Wire not fit show for up.
Sure.
Okay. So that our viewers they know.
That's the difference.
This one and that one, Oga, which one they cheaper?
Half conduit is more cheaper than full conduit.
Okay, so what you go help or tell our viewers how much when you take carry this work? Now contract carry they buy the materials for you.
No, this is contract.
Okay, so make you tell us how much you take carry this work.
For the piping work, for the materials over here, the 2-bedroom and a single room, we bought the materials of 210.
Okay.
And because we negotiate on the workmanship from 120 to 90,000 naira.
Okay. So everything on 300,000.
That's 300,000.
I finish body
piping,
body materials, and the labor.
Yes.
So after that one, na wiring stage.
After that one, that's when the POP are done with their work. That's when we come for the wiring.
Okay. So the wiring now different from the amount of this one. Abi all of them go together?
No. The wiring are totally different too. We have 3 stages in electrical. Okay. The piping, the wiring, and the fittings.
Okay.
So there are 3 different stages. So the first stage is piping. We discuss and we negotiate on the piping materials and the labor. That is different. When we are done with that, we are done with the work. After that stage, that's when we do the wiring. When we finish wiring, that's another stage. We charge for each stage. We don't charge it together, except the owner of the work wants it charged together. Okay, so if our viewers say make you come work for that part of the country, especially the west, or your Ondo, Ogun State, Lagos, on this one, even Kwara, if you go there, go work. Definitely, we travel to all states in Nigeria to work. Okay, make you give us your number in case our viewers they want to issue. Okay, this is my phone number: 081 444 20763. Okay, 081 444 20763. Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time when until they watch our videos and the motivation when they give us. Say thank you all and God bless.